bottles spilled and popping, baby, I never leave. Baby, I bet I need ya. Bet I taste tequila. Bet I taste tequila. I can kiss somebody brand new and not even think about it. And I can show up to the same bar, hear the same songs in my cup. Baby, your memory, it only hits me this hard. And I taste tequila. Baby, I still see ya cutting for the sun to teach you. Saying one more me. High Colorado. This best gets the bottles spilled about, baby, I never leave. Baby, I bet I need ya. Bet I taste tequila. Bet I taste tequila. I ain't even drunk, and I'm thinking, how I need your love, how I need your love.
Here's a tour of the Beachcomber hotel room. Let's see, let's start with this hallway. Cool mirror here, cool light. I don't know why I showed the light, but it's a huge king-size bed. Has like this cool bench right here. Oh, ask for robes. Always ask for robes. And you got the big screen TV. Of course, I took the Keurig out. From here, where they have the ice bucket, and they have the Kona blend coffee, Hawaiian Paradise. So that's a perk. There's also the mini fridge works, and some leftover food in there. This cool couch here. Oh, there's also storage right here. Nice drawers, nice huge drawers. And then this cool couch here with some cool whatever that is and light fixtures. A nice table to sit at. Got some places to sit there. Cool ports here. Also, light here, light there. Oh, cool wallpaper. It's like a huge ocean. Also, some artwork here. And then this is the balcony. This curtain closes and opens. You got this other layer of curtain here. You gotta open that. Oh, where does it open from? And yep, outside. It's locked. Got some nice chairs. Got a little table thing. Here's a view of some buildings. And then you got the water down there. Nice sun right now. And yeah, that's about it. Oh, let me take you to the bathroom. This is a cool partition thing, whatever it's called, right there, see? You got some LED mirrors. Cool sink area. Got the toiletries. And here you can hang some clothes. Some storage up there. Put your luggage right there, your shoes right there. Open this, more storage. A safe, ironing board, more storage. And then the bathroom is not that luxurious, but let's see. Glass doors, some plastic bottoms, some tiled walls. Shower head. The fan, I don't even know if that works. Nice fresh towel, some cool artwork, toilet and trash. Me again. I love these cool LED lights on the mirror. If you saw my Sofitel video, that hotel also had some LED lights in the mirror, which is super cool. Here's a big, huge king-size bed again. And that's it. Keep watching for some extra footage of the beachcomber from outside in the surrounding areas, and I'll see you at the next hotel. Peace.
I ain't even joking, I'm thinking how I need your love, it seems I need your love. I ain't even joking, I'm thinking how I need your love.